This is one of the difficult sets in this mock. So this set must be attempted only after attempting other easier sets and questions of this section. Here it is given that brass alloy is made by mixing copper and zinc in a certain proportion. The following table shows the information related to four alloys. Copper used in each alloy was of a different quantity, quality and price, whereas zinc used in each alloy was of the same quantity, same quality and price, that is 150. In none of the alloy weight of zinc is more than the weight of copper. The amount of copper used in alloy 1 is 12 kg and it is priced 90, and the amount of zinc is W kg, which is given as priced rupees 150, and the final quantity made, that is brass, is A kg. Similarly, we can see this figure for other alloy. Price of brass alloy per kg is computed on the basis of weight of copper into rate of copper plus weight of zinc into rate of zinc upon weight of copper plus zinc, and the rate of alloy alloy 1 is A, so A has to be equal to 12 into 90 plus W into 150 upon 12 into W equals A. So there are two variables, A and W, and the value of A is dependent on the value of W, and we know that the weight of zinc is not more than the weight of copper in any of the alloy, which means in alloy 1 the value of W cannot be more than 12. So here we need to take value of W and see whether A is an integer or not, as it is given that W, X, Y, Z, Z, A, B, C and D are natural numbers. So the possible values of Z, rather W, for which A is a natural number are 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and the corresponding values of A are 102, 105, 110, 114 and 120. Similarly, by using the same formula we can find the value of X and B, which are unknown in alloy second, and these values are 270, 478, 890, 1402, 16, 105. For alloy 3, Y and C are 796, 900, 12, 105, and for alloy 4, Z and D are 4 and 10, rather 110, 10 and 118, 12 and 120, 20 and 126. So these are the possible values of W, A, X, B, Y, C and ZB. Now let's move to the question. In first question it is asking how many values can B take. B can take in total 5 values that we can see here. In second question it is asking which of the following statement is or true. A is definitely less than C. Which is not necessarily true. Whenever W is more than Z, A is not less than any possible value of C. It is saying when W is more than Z, when W is more than G, which starts from 6, then A is not less than any possible value of C, which is perfectly true because the maximum value of C is 105, and when W becomes greater than G for a value, the minimum value of A is 110. Therefore this statement is definitely true. And next statement is when W and G are equal, A and D can also be equal. This is also true. When W and G are 12, then value of A and D are 120. Therefore this statement is also true. And in the last statement it is saying G can take 3 values, whereas in reality it can take 4 values. Therefore only 2 statements are true, and these statements are second and third statement, which means option C is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Here it is given that equal weights of alloy 1 and alloy 2 are melted together to form a new alloy. Then which of the following is not a possible price of the new alloy? Here from the derived figure it can be noted that, or from the given table in fact, the minimum volume of alloy 2 has to be 16 plus 2, that is 18. When 18 kg of each of the 2 alloys, that is alloy 1 and second, are melted, then the price of new alloy is 90, as the price of alloy 1 is 110 and that of alloy 2 is 70, and they are mixed in the same quantity, therefore their price will be 90. Similarly, when 20 kg of 2 alloys are taken, the price comes out to be 96, and when 24 kg, that is the last possible volume of the 2 alloys that can be taken, then the price comes out to be 105. Therefore the prices given in option A, B, C are all possible, hence option D is the correct answer. In next question it is asking which of the following values is or possible for more than 1 out of A, B, C and D. From the derived values it can be seen that 102 is possible value of B as well as A, and 120 is a possible value of A as well alloy A as well as D. Therefore, both option A and B are true. Hence, option D is the correct answer.